In this pocket lab, a simple baking soda and vinegar volcano becomes a lesson in chemical reactions and gas formation. Gather baking soda, vinegar, a bottle, food coloring, and a tray, then mix to watch fizz and hear tiny pops. As carbon dioxide fills the air, the bubbling shows how reactions release energy and push on surrounding liquids and objects. The idea links to everyday life from soda fizz to weather balloons, turning kitchen science into practical math and wonder. Follow safe steps, vary amounts, and observe color changes to spark questions and keep curiosity growing at home.